Want to download Stake app on phone? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. The first method is open up Play Store or App Store. Now you want to tap on the search bar and here search for Stake. If you find the Stake app over here, you simply want to tap on that, then tap on the install option. Now the downloading will begin. After it has been downloaded, the Stake app will be automatically installed on your device. If you don't find Stake app on Play Store or App Store, open up any web browser and head over to stake.com. Then tap on these three dots. Now tap on the option of install or add to home screen. Then tap on the install option. Now the Stake app will be successfully installed on your device, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.